Mathematics 10. Tangents and second segment. Theorems on two intersecting chords. If two chords of a circle intersect, then the product of the measure of the segment of one chord is equal to the product of the measure of the segment of the other chord. As you can see on the circle, CB intersect DE at F. From the theorem, CF times FB equal DF times FE. Here are some examples. First, we need to find the value of hanapin po muna natin yung value nilang lahat. Wait lang po. Ang value po ng AB ay 3. Yan po, 3 siya. Dito siya. Value din po siya dyan. AB is 3. Tapos ang value po ng BC ay 4. Ito po. Tapos ang value ng EB ay 6. Tapos naman po, ang value naman ng BF ay X. Ito siya. Yan. So first, we need to multiply AB times BC equal to EB times BF. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 6 times X is equal to 6X. After we multiply this both number, we need to divide them both by 6. So, 6x divide 6x, tapos 12 divide 6. So, cancel natin tong isa. Ito, yan, cancel natin yan. Tapos, ang x natin is x equal to 2 units. So, ang value po ng x natin ay 2. Example number 2. External second segment. External second segment is the part of a second segment that is outside a circle. As you can see, as in the circle, PQ times PR equal to PS times PT. So, lagi pong nandito po sa labas to. Unlike dun sa isa, dito siya sa gitna. Ito naman po, nasa labas. Kasi, sabi dito, external second segment is the part of a second segment that is used outside a circle. Lagi siyang nasa labas. Kaya ito, PQ times PR. Ito yun. Laging itong simula mo kahit magkabaliktad yan, okay lang. Basta magsisimula ka sa labas. Itong PS times PT. Pwede magkabaliktad yan. Pero basta include mo lagi itong nasa labas na to na letter. Okay, ito po yung example. Here is some example of this theory. Find the length of the unknown segment X in each of the following figure. So, dito, hanapin uli natin yung value ng mga to. So, DF, ang value niya po ay 16. Ito yan, DF. Ayan, DF. Ito naman, CF, ang value niya ay X. Dito yan, X. CF. Hanapin natin yung value niyan. Tapos, equal to EF. Ang value naman po ng EF ay 18. Since 18 yan, 18, kaya yan naging 18 kasi 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Tapos, i-times po natin siya sa 8. Tapos, 18 times 8 is equal to 144. 16 times x is equal to 16x. Tapos cancel natin to. Then divide this both by 6. So 145 divided by 6 is equal to x equal 9 units. Basta lagi lang po nating tatandaan kapag external second segment ay nasa labas. Kapag naman yung isa, yung two intersecting chords ay nandito sa gitna. Ayan, dyan yan. Nasa loob ng circle. Ito namang isa, parang ganun lang din pero paikot lang siya. Theorems on second segment, tangent segment, and external second segments. If a tangent segment and a second segment are drawn to a circle from exterior point, then the square of the length of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the length of the second segment is external second segment. Lahat po ng value niya ay equal dito sa u. Ito, yan, yan. Lahat sila. Kasi parang ito yung main character nila dyan, yung u. So, yan. VU. Kagaya dito. YU is a second segment drawn to the circle from exterior point U. VU is tangent segment that is also drawn to the circle from the same exterior point U from the theorem. So, ang solution pa natin is ito. VU squared equal YU XU. Mapapansin nyo po, kagaya ng sinabi ko, laging kasama yung U sa lahat ng letters. Ito po, VU. Ito yan. Tapos itong YU, oh, ito din yan. Ito yan, oh. Tapos itong XU po. Ito yung XU na yan. Kasi po, ito po yung pinaka-main dyan, yung U. Paikot-ikot lang po sila. Ito po, kung ito, sa outside yan, ito po inside. Ito naman po ay drawn to a circle from an exterior point, then the square of the length of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the length of second segment and its external second segment. So, ito po yung example natin, example problem natin. Find the length of the unknown segment x in each of the following figures. So, kagaya po kanina, itong u, paikot-ikot lang yan. Yan, dyan siya, tas yan din. Ito, tas dyan. Ang solution po natin dito ay kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, VU squared equal to YU times XU. So, ganun po uli, kagaya nung kanina, pinag-plus po siya dito, kaya naging 25. Tas since tong VU natin ay may squared, tas ang value ng VU dito ay X. Since may squared yan, nilagay po natin dito, kaya siya naging X squared. Ginaya lang po natin yung nasa formula. So, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, then times 8 by 9. 25 times 9 is equal to 225. Tapos ibaba po natin tong x squared. Tapos, x squared equal to 225. Then, sunod po natin, x equal to square root of 25. Tapos, ang final answer po natin is x equal 15 units. That's all. Thank you for listening. Yun lang po. Thank you po.